The late model Hachiroku, called by many names among the community, the Subaru BRZ, Scion FRS, Toyota 86, GT86, or FT86, and sometimes jokingly as the Toyobaru. Whatever the name, they are basically the exact same vehicle, rolling off the assembly line together at the Subaru Gunma Manufacturing Division, located in the Gunma Prefecture in Japan. Home to over 4,000 employees, this facility produces an estimated 30,000 Hachiroku each year. Launched for the 2012 model year, the Hachiroku came with a Subaru FA20 2-liter boxer engine, sporting a 12.5-to-1 compression ratio, with direct and port injection pumping out nearly 200 crank horsepower. Its front engine, rear-wheel drive, weighs only 2,800 pounds and comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission. However, this snappy little two-door coupe has been missing something since day one. Something that owners, enthusiasts, journalists, and YouTubers have been complaining about since the concept was first revealed. The last piece of the puzzle to creating a truly great sports car, and that is a turbocharger. So today, we aren't reviewing a base model, nor even the Monogram Edition, nor the pointless new TS upgrade, nor any other factory option for that matter. Today, we will be reviewing the Speed Freak Garage turbocharged Scion FRS Track Racing Edition, sponsored by Powersports on YouTube. Starting with a Speed by Design Stage 2 turbocharger kit, running 10 psi on 93-octane ethanol-free pump gas, followed by a Motiv 3-inch overpipe and test pipe, trailed by the limited edition Greddy Evolution GT 3-inch catback exhaust system. This turbo Hachiroku puts down 280 rear-wheel horsepower. She's nicknamed Koneko, meaning kitten in Japanese, because although she looks small, cute, and helpless, if you get too close, she'll attack with a ferocious speed that you'd never expect. Topping out at over 150 miles an hour, this kitten is equipped with numerous handling and aero upgrades. She sits on Race Comp Engineering Tarmac 2 Club Sport coilovers, Advanti 17x9 wheels, Pirelli P0 tires, AEM strut bars, more sport camber plates, custom lower control arms with Buddy Club P1 Racing ball joints, and Eibach tubular adjustable sway bars. All of that being complemented by a Varis carbon hood, carbon trunk, and an aerodynamically correct full carbon GT wing. This car is perfect. Even a gentle touch of the steering wheel results in a highly responsive reaction from the tires. The suspension is set up for oversteer, but balanced well enough that you'd have to try pretty hard to make a mistake. As long as you keep the RPMs over 3,000, the engine is responsive and pulls hard. It is, put simply, fun to drive. There aren't any modifications unrelated to performance. In fact, there's arguably no wasted money at all, and she was definitely worth the busted knuckles. Aside from blowing out an ACT performance clutch and having serious overboosting problems, there hasn't been any major issues over the last 3 years and 40,000 turbocharged miles. The conclusion? Every single one of these should have come from the factory with the turbocharger. And I'll fight you about it. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this time.